Yeah, we got here the QuarterKing over here. Nice little girl coming. Got Rosie 61 over here, and Mr. Silver, and then I just dug a weed about over there, and I forgot my camera, so had to walk back there about 2 miles. All right, get back to you. Yeah, I'm kidding. I got 2 more eels, and there's another penny down here. I have to all these rocks I had to do. It must fall in between the rocks. I don't know how old it is, but 76. All right, I'll get back to you. Yeah, I found 7 pennies already in between these rocks. Some are stinking Lincolns, I think, and then some of them are like in the 70s. Yeah, that's the 14th penny I dug in between these rocks. I think it's stinking Lincoln, but it could be wrong. Unless the rocks reserve the copper. Alright, get back to you. I'm up to 18 now. It's right there on the rock. I wish a quarter would come in, or a dime or something, but I think it's stinking Lincolns though. Yeah, I thought it was a penny, but it's Wizard Standard 74 made in USA plus spark plug. That was another penny. I think I found 30 or 36 pennies in this area. Yep, I think it's crucifix metal right here. Yeah, is that nice? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's nice. Silver! Wow. That's a nice little one. I might have to wear it. I have to go give it to Relic Recoverness. Oh, Jocelyn Elizabeth. You need this little ring, this little. That's nice. I don't know what that is. Little jewel, and it's the glass. It's bringing up 15. Yeah, another crucifix coming out of that hole. 2 of them. Must have been a bracelet or something. Another rosary. I think it was a rosary instead of a crucifix, unless somebody lost a couple of them. Bracelet. Another one. 4 up. No, that's 4 of them. That was another crucifix, and it's a heart. That's 5 of them. 5 silvers. Yeah, just found that. It says Oklahoma on it. It's clear on both sides. I think I counted right about 40 pennies in this area around this tree. And all these rocks, it's hard to walk, and the moss, and yeah, it must have not have been here before. All right, 45 pennies coming out of the hole. 4 crucifix and a heart. In Oklahoma, I found that car earlier, but it was coming at his area around this tree. Nice coin spill. Oh man, that's a nice coin spill. I tell you, mostly stinking Lincolns and probably some memorials, but that crucifix, that's nice. Two alike, in the heart. Call me over and find a Mercury dime.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh.
Underneath the rock.
Yeah, it was under this rock. This rock was laying flat and the dime was right dead underneath it. There might be more in there. I was hearing more sounds.
Okay. There we go.
Alrighty.
Yeah, go back to the truck and find a pair of handcuffs. Or if them police or 6 related. Yeah, I found the other cuff link way out over here by the road, and it was way down there by Leo. All the way down there on the woods. So it might have been escaped. End of the hunt. That is escape police handcuffs. There's the 4 crucifix and a heart and a jewel. A spark plug and 2 bullets, and then there's 2 wheats and 46 pennies in a car, and Oklahoma thing. And the big find is Rosie 61 got a 1920 Merc, a quarter, a state quarter, huh?
No, it's regular.
Oh, okay. And then a dime. Alright, happy hunting. Yeah, if Leo gets off his ass, and tomorrow maybe we'll go to the ghost town. Alright. See you later. Let me take a picture of that. I think I did on in the thing, but